langsung ke stage sepertinya ya. Ada interview bersama dengan Kelra, bersama Rose dan juga Lafel.
Beside me and Lafel, we have the Filipino Savage, the one and only gold standard Kelra.
Now, Kelra, here's the thing. You are definitely one of the best, the best gold laner in the world. And one of the things that makes you the best is how you're able to deal out damage in very chaotic team fights. Game 1, Game 2, Game 3, we see RQ over and over again trying to get you. How can you still deal damage when everyone is chasing after you? Is it your own preparation for the fight or everyone from your team giving you so much space?
Para sa akin, kaya nakakapag-damage ako na nakakadamage sa team fight dahil din sa kampi ko, nabibigyan nila ako ng space and tiwala nila sa akin and tiwala ko sa kanila.
So the reason how he can deal out so much damage in team fights is because of his teammates. They give him enough space to farm and get sufficient items, and they also trust each other really well. Wow, Kelra, you came prepared today, huh? The English came prepared today. Okay, now Kelra, just now maybe you could share with us what happened in the first game. What was the upset and how did it happen actually?
Tingin ko yung nangyari lang ng first game, medyo magulo kami sa mga plano namin in comms. Sa yun lang siguro.
It was more of a miscommunication in comms.
Now, Kelra, final question here. Coming in as world champions, every team is looking to take down Onyx Philippines. Throughout all the opponents you face in the Snapdragon Pro Series, do you feel like any teams have figured out how to get a win against you guys?
Para sa amin, ready kami sa... Alam namin sa team namin na kami yung tinitignan ng lahat, kaya ready kami dun.
He said he knows that him and his team knows that all eyes are on them and they are actually very ready to go up those people who are challenging them right now.
All right, with that being said, again, congratulations taking down RQ Hoshi. Guys, give it up for Kelra!
All right, guys, he is asking for food from me, so I guess I have to give in later on. And with that, let us throw it back to the panelists to break down what happened in this best of 3.